Are you excited?
I am so excited to get out of this harbor for a little bit, even if it's just for a few days. So, that's that.
Today you will be stronger than you are now, but you will not know everything. When the water's spilling over the bow, you'll still have me in the wings.
What just happened?
Oh man. Well, dang it, Murphy, for not letting us start earlier, because there is somebody on the dock right now and it's kind of a big cat, so we couldn't even pull up behind it if we wanted to. Hopefully they are almost done already and then we get to hop on over.
Treat your mother like she's made of gold. After all, she brought you here. And if you're lost, go see the ocean. It will always help you steer. Someday you will be stronger than you are now, but you will not know everything. When the water's spilling over the bow, you'll still have me in the wind.
Someone stood on the bow and yelled at the other person which way to go through the light. Seriously, like motoring with your eyes closed.
It's the coldest hand that run down this land where the ocean lands. It's the tallest sound, the damn smallest crowd, but their hearts break loud. Far from ever feeling lost with me, I'll push you back towards the land and sea. They're going down for love, and love is free. Stick with me and I will guarantee you're never lost among the crowd with me.
Hola, buenos días. Buen suerte.
Never lost among the crowd with me. Everywhere you go, I'll be. Anywhere you go, I'll see. You're never lost among the crowd with me.
When we hit that light blue, you want me to drop it down? Okay.
When she hits the light blue, she drops it, right?
What?
When we hit the light blue, she drops it.
A little bit before the light blue, I'm gonna throw it in reverse. Because it's gonna drop down to like real shallow. Right here, right as that water changes, it's about 24 feet, says the chart.
Okay.
So I'm thinking pretty soon here. Let's go about a third of boat length and then go ahead and drop it. I'm actually pretty good with right here.
Right here.
It's gonna dig in deeper instead of pulling itself out.
Everywhere you go, I'll be. Anywhere you go, I'll see. You're never lost among the crowd with me.
You know, whenever I smell like garlic, onion, and butter being cooked in a saucepan, I'm like, oh my gosh, who is that talented chef in the kitchen? They're like, it's butter, garlic, and onion.
Yeah.
I haven't even made anything yet.
It's the starter pack.
So true. After a little bit of time in Mexico, it has come to my attention that it's really hard to find parts. The good thing is that the labor is cheap and it is beautiful here, but finding things to fix things with is a little bit challenging. So, yeah, we've hit a few snafus, but we've had great help. So, I don't know. I think we might have to re-strategize a little bit about how we're going to execute this little boat flip here. Also, I'm not in a huge hurry because I'm really enjoying Murphy. I know she's given us hell in high water, but it's been a lot of fun. I've been having fun, and it's a really nice layout too. I love this galley setup. It's kind of like a powerboat and a sailboat had a baby. It is a motor sailor, so it's fun. I'm having a good time, but we have to figure out how to get parts, which the jury's out.
It looks like you know what you're doing because we can't see.
There we go. Okay, I feel better about that. Okay.
Look who's back at it!
Work on our brown.
Work on your brown. I've got SPF 100 on.
You better be higher!
To love you more, cause heart breaks my fling. That girl that came before you was never my thing. And even if I could, I would never call it naps. Can you please forgive all the jealousy I have? This time I'm finding peace in my sorrow that I keep. And all I have is silence in your absence and release. Hey.
Just open your mouth. This goes back to the OnlyFans I was starting about. Okay. Maybe grab a vegetable fallacy.
When we have a baby, nothing can go wrong. I wake up from this dream and the pain kicks in. This fabricated version of reality is thin. Ties like dreams, they disappear. I thought they are for real. But inside, I hold a broken heart.
How is it?
Mmm. That's a good sauce combination.
Tastes like more? Tastes like more. Okay. Well, I know what we're gonna be doing for the next 30 minutes.
Yeah, maybe we're having curry tomorrow.
Yeah, maybe I will make curry tomorrow. This is so good. I also just want to drink the peanut butter sauce. Off.
I didn't know what my heart was in for till you stepped into the room. And I didn't show, but I wanted to know.
Oh my god, no, no, it's a big whale. There's a whale with them. It's a huge ass whale.
No way.
Yes, it is a whale.
I mean, I'm getting in the water.
No, it's a big whale. No, the thing was like the whole size of the back of our boat. It's fat. And it's going that way. There is a whale. This thing was cute.
I heard it.
Yeah, it was like the whole length of the back of the width of the boat.
There's still something. There's a possibility of still something right there.
That's what I thought. There's no stopping that.
Oh, it's just stopping.
Like if you fall in, it's gonna be a dream come true for you.
I know. I want to be in the water. I splash in the water.
I always think that they are gonna come. What? You see! Oh my gosh! I told you!
But you had to go. Now I carry the load to call when
I knew that was too big to be a dolphin. Did you get it?
I think so.
Wow!
believed in. So I put every single dream in you. But you said the bar so high above the sky, and you nailed it to the floor. 'Cause for some odd reason I'm done believing in this one thing I adored. What is loving anymore? Ooh.
What is loving anymore? What is loving anymore?
But you said the bar so high above the sky, and you nailed it to the floor. 'Cause for some odd reason I'm done believing in this one thing I adored. What is loving